Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I am uploading a video to hashtag Set More Makes. This is a hashtag created by Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs-Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. And what Jill wants everyone to do is create throughout the week and then upload a video on Saturday sharing your designs. So that's what I'm doing today. So I have a card to share with you, and let me show you what I used to make the card. So I've had this postage collage die set by Waffle for several months, and it really has kind of been hard for me to create with this. I thought it was going to be so simple. I love stamps. I love the look. I love all the different additions they've added and throughout the months for this, and I just thought, oh, I can't wait. Well, I actually cut out some of the die sets, and I just really couldn't get into it. There's a cute little add-on, this little stamp set, and this is called Postage Collage, and it has the cutest little designs, like from stamp letters that you get in the post, and it has all these different stamps. And then I've also got some stencils to help you make different designs. I've tried them out. I just really didn't like what I was creating, so I just kind of pushed it aside. Well, I was watching a video where a YouTuber, and I'm sorry I don't remember her name. If I did, I would definitely share that with you, where she showed where she watercolored a picture, a design, a stamp set, and then she cut it out with this to have the different layers. And I thought, oh my goodness, I can do that. I can't do the watercoloring part, but I have so many pretty pieces of paper that I know I have something that I could use. So that's what I did. I also used from Spellbinders this Colorful Expression Sentiments, and it has several sentiments on here with the background die, which I really, really like. Used those, and then I used some sentiments from Waffle, and these just little pop-out sentiments, so simple to use. I love using these too. So let's get to the cards. So the first up is this cute little card, and this is using the Spellbinder sentiments, and I just cut the paper, the design out in a pattern where it kind of showed the floral designs, and I really love the way this turns out. I think it's super sweet. And so then, of course, I couldn't resist, and I made another one. And this paper is from 49th and Market, which is one of my favorite papers to use. And so here's another one that has the birthday wishes, and I love this design. And then I used the pink paper from Waffle, from 49th and Market. Look how pretty that is. It almost doesn't even need a sentiment. Now, I was a little challenged in cutting out the squares. I tried to use my guillotine cutter, and then some I did by hand, so they're not all perfect. You can see I kind of overlapped on the design here, but I still think it's beautiful. And then the last card is another pink. I'm trying to, use up that paper, that 12 by 12 paper sheet, and this is a sympathy card. So those are my designs with the Waffle postage collage die set, and let me know what you think below. Once I like something, I don't mind making a few cards out of the design. So let me know what you think below. Do you have this set? Are you having fun with it? Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you love the cards. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have been subscribed for a long time, I really thank you for continuing to support the channel. And go ahead and click the like button if you like this video. That helps the channel very much. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.